ohmathgad.
Welcome back everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we're gonna be practicing a little bit more of problem-based learning. In this case, we're gonna be doing proportion and percentages. So if we're given the proportion and we're given a percentage, what is the whole, what is the total value for that situation, right? So again, given a proportion and a percentage and then finding the whole or the total. So let's begin. So the problem here, which is a very funny problem I came up with, is Leanne is a huge Rick and Morty fan, and she claims to have watched 95% of the total episodes non-stop during a marathon this past weekend. If she watched 38 episodes, what is the total amount of Rick and Morty episodes of the marathon? Okay, guys, so again, a lot of information, but I think we can narrow it down, right? So she says that she watched 95% of the total amount of episodes in the marathon, right? This past weekend. She said that she watched 38 episodes. But we do not know what is the total amount, right? So we know the part and we know the percentage, but we do not know the total. So again, by using the percentage formula and solving for the whole or the total, we can find out the answer pretty easily. So the whole or the total is going to be equal to the part divided by the percentage. So in this case, the part is going to be 38 and the percentage is going to be 95%. Now guys, you have to remember that 95% is actually 95 divided by 100. Most people forget that. So 38 divided by 95 divided by 100 is the same as saying 38 divided by 0.95. And now you can divide 38 by 0.95, and that's going to give you an answer of 40. As we can see, the total, which is 40, is less than the amount of episodes or the part. So that means that the answer we got makes sense. So again, guys, you are given the percentage, you're given the part, and you're being asked for the total or the whole. You just have to substitute in the formula we saw in the video that I'm going to be linking up there in the card, and that's pretty much it. So guys, practice, try redoing the problem and trying to understand it to your best of your capacities, and we will see each other tomorrow, where we will continue tackling percentages. Bye guys!
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!